All right, look at this. This is very unique. This is a fish bike. Look at that. Isn't that cool? You have a fish. Look at that. That is so cute. Look at that. The tire and everything. Give it the fins and stuff. Isn't that cool? Look at that. With the whole mirror and everything. So the kids will really like to have this. They get to try it out here. Not a cute bike. This one here almost looks like a bumblebee. So how do you like that for a bike? Look at that. It's even got the designs and all the gears and everything for the wings to go. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Even one for the tiny, tiny little one who's got to pedal themselves around. Look at that, on the tricycle. Look at that, they even done one for the tricycle. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Just to make it different, good conversation piece. Look at that. Just to make things good for the kids. Here you go.